Here goes, guys. One more time. Here goes. Hey foodie friends, it's Dina here with EatLaughReview, and today we are gonna make a badass burger. We are talking double whammy here. So we're gonna do two of my favorite comfort foods today, and we are going to combine the love. So we are going to do burgers and grilled cheese. I'm gonna leave it at that. So stay tuned. But you know the routine here. So if you're new to the channel, welcome. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below. And let's get to it. Okay, foodie friends, so we have our burgers here. And I use the Beyond Meat burgers. So that's what we have here. I'm just gonna season it with salt and pepper. And a little bit of garlic powder. Some onion powder. Some salt. And let's just flip them so we can season both sides here. Now your other side, because you know, you gotta season both sides, right? A little more salt, pepper. And I'm not going wild with the seasoning just because of the mayo that I'm going to use. So now we are gonna take that over to our little griddle thingamajig over there. And we're gonna get cooking. Okay guys, now we're gonna flip these burgers. Need a little bit more here. Okay guys, so while the burgers are cooking up real quick over there, I have this 8-grain bread, which is vegan. Bought this at Whole Foods. So I just butter them up, just like so, with my Earth Balance vegan butter. And you know how I do with my bread. I added some garlic on there. So we're making grilled cheese sandwiches. The buttered side is the outside of the grilled cheese. 6 slices here of garlic buttered breads. We're gonna put some cheese on these bad boys. We're using the Daya cheddar slices. And let's get this goodness all melted. So let's add our grilled cheese on this side here. And our slices. Okay guys, so we're just gonna do 1 cheese because we are loading this bad boy with tons of cheese. So I don't wanna like overpower the cheddar. Add the 1 cheese and let that cook up. Burgers are looking nice, as you can see. They're looking so nice and pretty. Okay, so we're gonna smash this bread down so it could get nice and toasty here. All right, so let this brown up and then I'll show you guys how it looks when it's all nice and toasty. Okay guys, so once it's all nice and toasty, just like this, and your cheese is starting to melt, we are good to go. Let's assemble this beast of a burger. Okay, foodie friends, so we have our stuff all ready to go. Look at our burgers and our grilled cheese all ready to go here. And I fried up some bacon, like I said, the Light Life bacon. I have it right here. Also, I made, you guys know my sriracha obsession. So I made some mayo with sriracha and I added a little bit of garlic powder just to add more garlic. Can't have enough of garlic, you know what I'm saying? So let's do that, and I have some arugula. So let's get this started here. Grilled cheese, place it like so. Get our little sriracha concoction here. We're gonna add our burger right here. Now we're gonna add our tomato, just like that. We're gonna add our arugula. Arugula with spinach. There we go. And we're gonna add our bacon. Bacon. We add more sriracha for our next grilled cheese sandwich. Sriracha there. And now we just, OMG guys, look at that. Okay, so now the next level. Some more sriracha on the top here. Look at this craziness. Crazy goodness. That's what I'm calling it. And now our other burger, our tomato, now our arugula, and our bacon. OMG with this. Can you believe this monstrosity right now? I can't believe it. And now our last grilled cheese sandwich. And lather this bad boy up. There you go. Look at this. Look at this, guys. Look at this bad boy right now. Can you believe it? OMG. And you know what? I have some more bacon left over. I can't let it go to waste, so I'm gonna eat it. Okay, so now we're gonna take the massive bite of this burger. Okay guys, look at this beast. Look at this beast of a burger. So we have our grilled cheese, our tomato, our bacon in there. This is like a triple-decker grilled cheese cheeseburger vegan sandwich. So here we go. Okay. I couldn't even get it. One, I gotta do two bites. I didn't even get the burger. All right, okay. Oh, this is amazing. The burger with the cheese, and then the grilled cheese has like the garlic taste on the edge there, and the sriracha with the mayo with more garlic. It's punching you more with garlic there. This is like heaven. And the smokiness from the bacon. Oh my gosh, you guys. This is delicious. You guys have to make this. You guys must make this because you cannot die without trying one of these bad boys. It might kill you, but you know what? It's so worth it. You have to try it. Here's another bite. Oh my God. Oh, so good. This is amazing, guys. Amazing. Look at the juices. The juice from the burgers. These Beyond Meat burgers. They're just the best. Comfort food at its best. And this is mine. I combined the two. I can now sleep with the fishes because this is just the best.com. So guys, if you make this, oh God, I got mayo everywhere. So guys, if you make this sandwich, this colossal of a burger sandwich, take a picture of it and tag me on Instagram. I would love to see your monstrosity of a burger. And thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next one.